Facebook, YouTube, Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning. We got a little bit of commercial cleaning to do today. Some office spaces. We got this room here almost completely moved out, minus the couch that's here. And then we have this little adjacent room right here that we're going to clean up. So the carpets aren't terribly bad, but they can definitely do, they're definitely due for a little bit of a polish up. So we're going to get this place looking awesome today. What we are going to be doing is of course, we're going to be doing a very thorough pre-vacuum beforehand to get this place all cleaned up. And then we will be running a 175 agitating our cleaning solution into the carpeting really well. We'll probably be using like a 9 pH product so as not to go completely crazy. And it is very green, eco-friendly products. So, yeah, it's not going to leave any residue or cause any issues with browning or discoloration or anything like that. And then we will fire off our truck and we will give it a quick rinse. So, I guess this is kind of like the hardcore way of cleaning commercial carpet cleaning is to run over with a 175, scrubbing it all, and then going back over with the truck and steaming it out. For some guys, it's way too much work, like I've seen on Facebook already, but that's what we do because we are 100% awesome, and that's what I'm doing because I strive to be the best carpet cleaner that I can possibly be. Okay, so with the CRB, it's just kind of a nice fluid side-by-side or side-to-side action, and by the time you scrub all the carpeting, it should look something like this. It looks very beautiful. We pretty much scrubbed out all the little sticky little residue things that were on the carpeting, and now as it is sitting here dwelling, and you know, we did the same thing in here. However, we didn't have as much open room, so we weren't able to make the same beautiful swirl lines as in here, but it is similar. But like I said, as it is sitting here dwelling, we're going to go ahead and hook up our truck and run our hoses in and prepare for a quick steam out. Now, the scrub process doesn't take long at all. We probably spent a whole maybe 10 minutes on both rooms here, so we were able to put down a generous amount of pre-spray, probably about 1.5 gallons to 1.75 gallons between the two rooms, and we scrubbed it very well. So it is sitting here dwelling. I'm going to go ahead and move our equipment out, bring in some hoses, fire in the truck, and get that water temperature up to about 250, and we're going to give this thing a good steam out.